Taking a cruise through Ha Bay. We're actually just leaving the port at Cat Ba right now. Yeah, it's a floating fish village, Ryan. Floating village. They said this is the fish farms.
Could get fixed that easily.
So this is really beautiful, and it's turned out to be a very nice day. I wouldn't say it's a hot day, but it's been raining for over a week now, and so we've had a couple of days of dry weather, so we decided we better grab this opportunity before it disappears. Plus, we're leaving Vietnam on Monday. Today's Friday, so we're leaving Vietnam on Monday. We're going to Cambodia. So this is our last chance to do this boat tour. It's an all-day boat tour of the bay. And this bay is called Ha Bay. They also call it Lan Ha Bay, and it's world famous. And we're going to have the opportunity to go kayaking through some caves, and there's even an opportunity to go swimming and snorkeling, although I don't think we're going to do that because it's quite cold to do swimming and snorkeling today.
Okay, and about the fish from you don't catch fish, right? And some fish from the rest fish. That's very
Why you filming me?
maybe. And then they have to buy the small fish from the big fish farm, and then to grow, to raise. Yeah.
So this all-day tour, which includes a tour of the bay and kayaking and snorkeling and all the equipment and a lunch, actually is costing us $20 US per person. Wave hi, girls.
Something else. Very lucky because for some question you got me, it's not so difficult.